Hi everyone, welcome to new lesson. In this lesson we will draw a magnet design for your free getters. I'm sorry for this word. Let's get started our first magnet design. First of all, I taking this ellipse tool here and I'm drawing a circle with holding down the Control K and release them. It's very easy to make, so watch carefully. And I drawing another circle, but a smaller circle. And okay, I'm taking the pick tool, taking this here, just like Mickey Mouse, and taking this here, holding down the shift. Oh, I'm sorry. Taking this, holding down the shift button, and taking this here and copied it. Yeah, it's very cool. And this must be a smaller, and holding down the shift and slide to the up. Yeah, that's very easy. And I'm selecting 3 objects here and select Weld tool. Yeah, our mouse is ready, and let's make a small hole here because maybe you take this here to ribbon or another thing. I'm taking this smaller hole and set the sizes 2 or 4 millimeters, and I'm selecting all and C and E keys and selecting the smaller hole. Take this, holding down the shift and slide down. Yeah, my base is ready, and let's write some text here. I love you, my baby. For example, I'm selecting the lobster font here, select alignment to center and smaller, and take this here, bigger text here, maybe this, and with the arrow keys, down arrow key, place this text here, and our first magnet design is ready. It's very cool and it's very easy to use, very easy to make. So you can use any text in here. You can use this on wood or plexiglass. Thank you for watching. See you in the next magnet design lesson. Bye bye. Hi everyone, welcome to new lesson here. And in this lesson we will draw a new magnet design. In this design we will draw 2 rings and 1 diamond to make a magnet. And let's get started. It's very easy to make again, and let's get started. First of all, I'm taking the ellipse tool here and drawing a circle like this, and drawing another circle in here. So I'm clicking this, holding down the shift key, and a smaller circle, and then right click to copy, holding down the mouse key and then shift key, and select the 2 circles here and select combine tool and selecting this object, copying here and a little bit smaller, and taking this here maybe a bigger. Yeah, it's very cool. Maybe here. Yeah, maybe here. Okay, and I selecting two objects here and selecting the Well tool here. And let's make a diamond here. For this, I'm selecting the rectangle tool here, drawing a rectangle like this, holding down to Ctrl K to make a square, and maybe 6 and 6 millimeters. And I'm taking this here. Sorry, taking this here, not taking this here. I'm taking this here and select Arrange, Convert to Curves and select Shape tool. I'm taking this node here and taking this node here and taking these nodes, holding down the Shift key and here and here. And maybe a little bit, yeah. And taking this shape tool again and double click here and taking this here. Same thing, double click or take this ruler here and select the shape tool, click the object, double click and here. Yeah. And maybe a little bit, yes. Our diamond is ready. I'm click the ruler and delete to delete it, and I'm taking this here, one click, a little bit around, yeah. It's very cool. And select all objects here, Well tool. Yeah, this is very cool ring, but I'm taking the pen tool here and click here. I'm drawing a hole here. Click here, click here, click and click. And then let's draw another hole here and click here, yeah. And let's draw final hole here. Oops. Yeah, it's very cool thing. Let's draw some holes here. Like this, and another hole here. Only clicks. It's very easy. Don't scare this. And click here and click here. Last hole here. Click here, here, and here, and here. Yeah. There's a problem here. Let's edit this, hit the object and select the shape tool and this node here. Yeah, it's cool. And this node here, this node here, maybe this node here. Yeah, it's cool. Our base is ready, and let's a smaller square here to writing the objects. You can write this here, or you can write a base, a square base, and you can write the names here, your choice. I'm taking this and round the corners, yeah, a little bit smaller, and writing the names, John, Mary. Yeah, I'm selecting text here and shrink this text. Select the two objects, C and E case. Yeah, that's cool. I'm selecting this, taking here, one click, and taking this here. Yeah, I'm taking this shape and click, holding down Shift and click this object and select Weld tool. Yeah, our second magnet design is ready. It's very cool and it's so easy to make. Hope you enjoy it. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye. Hi everyone, welcome to new lesson. In this lesson we will draw a new magnet. It's very easy to make and very good looking magnet, but for this magnet we will download a vector design from the internet. Let's download this vector. I'm showing to your site. This is our vector design here. This site is freepik.com. You can use this link for this vector design. I downloaded this here, free download. I downloaded this, and you can open this vector and you must drag and drop this EPS file here, and oh, I'm sorry, you select this and drag and drop CorelDRAW and select the curves and hit OK. Wait a minute for vector is coming here. Yeah, vector is coming here, and select this object and click ungroup all and select this. We will use this object, and I'm select this and taking this here, delete the other objects here. Yeah, let's edit this vector because it's very complicated, but I need a basic vector here to use it on the laser cutting machine. So I delete the objects here, delete the circles here, and delete the right text here. And yeah, I needed this, and set the fill, no, set the outline hairline, and then let's edit this. I must delete these little objects in here to bigger objects here. I delete it and click this, delete, click this and delete it here, here, and here, here, and here. Yeah, I deleted the objects to I don't use it. Let's click this object and take this here. Yeah, take this here, top of the other object, and take this here, top of this object, taking this here, top of this object, and taking this to here, taking this on top of this object here, and apply the same thing here, top of this here, and here, and here. Yeah, and take this object here, and take this object here. Yeah, and last, take this all objects and hit the weld button. Yeah, my object is ready. Select this and select hairline Yeah, select this one object here, holding down to shift, hold the mouse button and holding down to shift, and copy it here, and click this mirror vertically. Yeah, and almost done. I select the ellipse tool here, write a circle with holding down to control key, and I take the pick tool, taking this here to here, my other objects, top of my other objects, and take this, click and hold on to shift and slide up. Yes, that's very easy. And select all the objects and click Well tool. Yeah, our base is ready. It's very cool object here, and let's write text here. I love you. Yeah, and you can use any text. Select the alignment with center and select the text. This blank area is very blank, so I take this shape tool and take this arrow, hold down and sliding up. Yeah, it's very cool. I select this, hold this and take here and hold the mouse and holding down the shift key and bigger. Oh yeah, and take this and use the arrow keys to alignment. Yeah, it's so cool. Yeah. Oh, what? Yes. Our new and very good looking magnet design is ready. This lesson is finished. We will learn another magnet design in the next lesson. See you. Bye bye. Hi everyone, welcome to new lesson. In this lesson we will draw another magnet design. This is the magnet with an image or a picture. Let's get started. First of all, I'm taking the text tool here and text a letter or number. I choose the number, for example the 1 age or 2 age of my son or of my daughter. So I'm taking the 3 number and I'm a little bit bigger. I'm selecting the font. Yeah, that's cool. And this magnet have 2 pieces, 1 piece of top and 1 piece of bottom pieces. When you finish the magnet, you can put together and take a picture in it, and it's very good looking magnet. First of all, I take this number and I'm taking this rectangle tool. I'm drawing a rectangle like this. Yeah. But taking here. Yeah, it's cool, but I want to round the corners, so I write a value here. For example, 5. Yeah, that's enough. I take this to a little bit. Yeah, that's cool. It's very good looking. And I'm selecting the 2 objects and hit the Weld tool, but before I'm copying it here and a little bit small. Yeah, that's my smaller square here. I'm selecting two objects and hit the weld tool. Select hairline and no fill. Yeah. And I'm taking this to here. This is my top piece and my frame. Select hairline. Yeah. This is my frame, and you can use taking this here, and this is my base. This is my frame and this is my base. I'm taking a picture here, glued here, and I'm taking this and I taking this on top of here like this. Here's a picture. Here's she's or his edge of here, and I have a good looking magnet. I want to make another one. So for example 4, select the text here, font here, and I'm taking this here and maybe a little bit bigger. I'm taking the rectangle tool, drawing a rectangle. I'm taking this here, whatever you want. You can take this here or take this here, your choice. I'm taking this here now, and around the corners, maybe 10 around the corners, and copying another square here, for example this. Very good. And I'm taking this, or I'm not taking this here, and I'm click this bigger square here and holding down the shift and select 4 and weld and set the outline and filling. Set the outline here. Yeah, that's very cool. You can add some basic shapes, for example hearts, drawing with control key. And I'm taking this here, maybe a little around it, and taking here, taking another heart here, and I'm selecting all the hearts in our frame. Hit the weld tool. Yeah, that's very cool. And I'm copying it for the base. I have another magnet design. This lesson is finished. Hope you enjoyed, and it's very beautiful magnets in here. In the next lesson we will draw another magnet, our last magnet. See you in the another next lesson. Goodbye. Hi everyone, welcome to another lesson. In this lesson we will make a basic, and it's very easy to make magnet design. This magnet is fully made with text and one icon. Let's get started. First of all, we must write our texts. For example, it's maybe names, or it's maybe another things. I prefer the names now. For example, Michael. Sorry for poor English, my poor English. Menon, and clicking another area, and what's the name? James, for example. And I'm selecting the texts, and I'm selecting a font, maybe this or what you want. I'm taking this text is bigger a little bit, and I'm taking the shape tool. I select arrange, convert to curves, and taking pick tool and select break apart tool, but I must combine these letters because it's have a whole center of it. I selected this and combine, and select this O key and combine, and I'm taking this and holding down the shift button and taking this here, and I made this for another letters here because I want to one object here, and I'm taking the all letters now and take the well tool, yeah, and I set the outline and filling. Yeah, you can see my letter is welded here, and same thing for James. Select, arrange, convert to curves, break apart, selecting the E key and combine it. I'm taking this, holding down the shift and slide slowly, and taking this, and taking this tool, yeah, and taking the text and weld, and outline is hairline and no fill, and take this here. You can use the rulers here for best alignment, and another ruler here. I'm taking this here a little bit smaller or bigger. Yeah, it's cool. I'm deleting the rulers here and taking a object. You can use any object here, or you can download in the internet, but I'm selecting this heart here for now, and I'm drawing a heart, a bigger heart, and a little bit turn, and taking this here, maybe a little bit. This J is complicated letter here, and maybe, yeah, maybe here, and a little bit bigger, yeah, Man and James, and taking the all objects here and hit the weld tool. Yeah, that's very cool. You can write any text in here, or you can write in a date here. It's maybe a imitation, your choice, your imagination, or you can use any ribbon here or here. And this is our magnet. This is our last magnet in this course. Hope you enjoyed it. See you another lesson. See you another great objects. Bye bye.